There has been a recent wave of assaults across the U.S. that have coincided with the spread of the coronavirus, which was first identified in China. Our Mitty Hicks joins us live from St. Paul with more on what's being done now to help local communities feel safer. Mitty?
Well, Randy, what happened in Atlanta was triggering for many Asian Americans here in the Twin Cities. Some we spoke to today say they're afraid to leave the house.
I was extremely just heartbroken and really angry.
Brenna McHugh says what happened in Atlanta could have been her.
Sometimes I feel conflicted. I'm like, I don't want to live in fear. You know, if I want to go to the store across the street, I want to walk. But then it's also like I need to acknowledge and not dismiss that very well could have been me or could have been my friend.
As the country battles the COVID-19 health crisis, Asian Americans say they are also fighting an increase in hate crimes.
I personally already have to carry mace, and I personally carry like a knife or a cane or a walking stick on me.
A California State University study found hate incidents against Asian Americans are up nearly 150% through verbal and physical assaults. Asian Americans say it's nothing new, but misinformation around the coronavirus plays a big part in the increase.
In times of crisis, like we are in right now, it's very easy to point our fingers at a community. We've been, blamed for bringing COVID into the United States, when in fact that is obviously not true.
St. Paul police announced on Twitter the department is standing with our neighbors against hate of any kind, adding it would increase patrol. But some say that's not the best option.
I don't think that an increase in police would be safe. I don't think that it would provide any benefits.
Both women we spoke to today say the best solution is a community space where Asian Americans can go to feel safe. Live in St. Paul, Mitty Hicks, Fox 9.